Hello, I'm Dr. Road from the e-bike Masterbook series. First, I'll explain how to securely attach a bag to your bike's rear rack for adding an extra battery to an existing e-bike. Second, I'll discuss the types of parallel battery pack connections. For this method, a rear rack is required. To remove the rear seat, locate the bolts under the bike seat. Most seats are secured with M6 bolts or Phillips screws. You'll need a seat backrest for bicycles or scooters, which is typically made of plywood or plastic. To attach the backrest, use short screws, less than 10 millimeters, so they don't protrude through the seat and cause discomfort. Once the seat is secured to the frame, the backrest should be stable and secure. Next, prepare a bag slightly larger than your battery. I've purchased a motorcycle bag that attaches to the backrest and retains its shape well. Place the bag on the rear rack and mark where the holes will go. You can use a Dremel or a heated soldering iron to make the holes. Drill bits may struggle with the fabric of the bag. To secure the bag, use flat M6, bolts, and lock nuts. To prevent deformation, place a metal or plastic plate, included with the bag or cut to size, at the bottom of the bag. After securing the bag, place an E-via sheet inside to protect the battery. If the bag doesn't close properly, remove the fastening pin. This is necessary because the battery box is large and requires repositioning the pin. Use a riveter to reattach the rivet or secure it with bolts and nuts. Fill any empty space with sponge material to prevent the battery from moving. With the pin repositioned, the bag should now close properly. The bag can be locked with a small padlock. 3 methods for parallel battery connection. First, disconnect the main battery pack connector. Add an XT90S female connector. Ensure the soldered parts are well insulated with tape. Follow the connection diagram provided. To use an additional battery pack in parallel, create an extension cable with an XT90S connector. The 2 battery packs should have the same nominal voltage, though different capacities, ampere hours, are acceptable. Connection method 1. Use a DBDC for parallel connection. Connection method 2. Connect directly with diodes. Connection method 3. Directly connect the battery packs if their voltage difference is less than 2 volts. A significant voltage difference will cause high current to flow into the lower voltage battery, which can be dangerous. To summarize, it's safe to connect 2 fully charged batteries with the same voltage. Direct parallel connection allows simultaneous charging of both batteries with one charger, provided they are not removed from the bike. The extension cable is now complete. for rapid high output 18 amp charging. I added a charging connector, as shown in the diagram. This method is recommended for BMS types, where both charging and discharging are possible through the C-. Even with P- discharge and C- charge BMS types, no issues have been encountered. Typically, mobility devices, including electric cars, use regenerative braking to charge batteries, which works regardless of BMS type. With 20 ampere-hour at the front and 30 ampere-hour at the rear, the combined 50 ampere-hour 72 volts battery pack provides a massive 3,600 watt-hour capacity. Parallel connection significantly reduces battery stress, potentially extending the lifespan up to 4 times compared to standalone use. Explore the ebike Master Book series on Amazon for more foundational knowledge on electric mobility. Subscribing and liking our videos greatly supports our content creation. I'm in Quan Huang. Thank you for watching.